Hi, I'm Katya, and today I want to introduce you to a program Flowith, a very powerful tool, and it can help you simplify your work, spark creativity, and get things done much faster. It combines AI, design, automation all in one place, and you can create easily a full website, write the content, design images, videos, and generate any ideas without switching between different apps. To create a marketing campaign, just type what you need and what you want and be very specific, and it will give you full analysis and structure step by step. And to create a full website, just simply choose your style, templates, and type your ideas, and it will build for you just for a few minutes. And it also will give you a full analysis and structure for 30 days with strategies, emails, social media, and much more to follow step by step. Flowith can create anything you need, and it can be a really good assistance for you and help you with your time saving. And it will never get tired.